Alright guys, let's play a little game called Life.
I thought we were playing poker.
I'm the white card.
Shut up.
Guess what? Full house. What's up?
What are you even playing? What are you even playing?
I'm playing to win. Well, what?
Okay, I'll go first. And here.
You son of a bitch, that's my piece!
Yeah, we do this right.
Whatever you guys.
What is that? Some sort of submarine sound?
Yes. Yes it is.
Nah, dude, you gotta do it like this. You gotta be like, boop, 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 boop.
No, man. You gotta go like this.
I like that one. That's a good one.
No, it's gotta be like, It's going down, man. The ship is going down.
It's more like incoming torpedo.
Fire torpedo!
Turn hard, starboard bow.
Brace for impact!
Brace for impact.
This is life here! Knock it off! We're playing a board game! This is life! Come on! Alright, whose turn is it?
That's my turn. 2, drop the bass. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Is that supposed to be dubstep?
I believe it is dubstep.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
No, it's more like whoa, 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 whoa. Drop the bass.
Call 411 now! Stop it! Just stop it! Both of you!
Yes.
Dinosaurs?
Well, can't beat them! Join them!
Drop the bass.